Welcome my video Vivo v30 5G device journal feature all. SIM support dual SIM. Phone dimensions 164.4 x 75.1 x 7.5 millimeters. Phone weight 186 G. Operating system Android 14 OS. Display screen size 6.78 inches. Screen resolution 1260 by 2800 pixels. Screen type AMOLED. Screen protection shot alpha. Memory internal memory 256 GB. RAM 12 GB. Card slot nitrogen monoxide. Performance processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 GPU. Battery type Li-ion 5000 mAh. Charging power 80 volt. ROM type UFS 2.2. RAM type LPDDR4X. Size 6.78 inches. Resolution 2800-1260. Refresh rate 60 Hz. 120 Hz. Local peak brightness 2800 nits. Color gamut 100% DC IP3 color saturation 105% NTSC. Pixel density 452 ppi light emitting material A22Q9. Type AMOLED touchscreen capacitive multi-touch. Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz. Bluetooth 5.4. USB 2.0. GPS supported. OTG supported. NFC supported. FM not supported. Front camera 50 MP. Front flashlight yes. Front video recording 4K at 30 fps 1080p at 30 fps. Back flashlights. Back camera 50 MP OIS plus 50 MP. Back video recording 4K at 30 fps 1080p at 30 fps. Gyro ACE. Connectivity Bluetooth yes, 3G yes, 4G LTE yes, 5G yes, radio no, Wi-Fi yes, NFC yes. Back flashlights.